In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of adding, deleting, and customizing variants. Begin by selecting a PMM. To edit a variant, double-click on it. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to click Save. To add a new variant, simply click the plus button. Give the variant a name and select the desired intent. Make any necessary changes and click OK. Your variant is now created. Remember to save your work. Another method is to edit the PMM directly. Here, you can view and manage existing variants. Select the variant you want to modify or add a new one. Choose the intent, assign a name, make your adjustments, and then click Save. Finish the process by saving your changes. And there you have it, your second variant is ready to go.